What I thought was interesting when we were invited to go attend the main session the next morning, we got there right before doors opened and people were kind of lined up and gathered by the doors. And when the doors opened, all these people started like rushing and like running to the front of the conference room. And I remember asking someone who I actually knew from my hometown that was a member of How to Manage, like, what's going on? Why is everybody running to the front? I'm like, is there a prize? Why? And they just said, no, they're just excited for front seats. And I remember thinking, is this some kind of cult? What is going on here? It was kind of crazy, but I really trusted my friend that I knew from my hometown, and she'd already renewed her contract, so been in more than 2 years. So I knew it wasn't a cult. I knew it was legit. And these were just really excited people to be at the front, to be engaged, and to get going.
Being at the bonus day is tons of fun. Coming into it, I was kind of overwhelmed, thinking that, hey, these are going to be these big law firms who are, making these pretty good dollars and things of that nature. But once you get in there, you get to speak with individuals and firm members who say, hey, I've been where you've been, or I'm at where you're at, and I've made it, you can make it. If you're on the fence, I'm gonna just give you a couple words. Just do it. You have nothing to lose, like literally, just do it. They actually want to see you grow, not only as a firm, but as people. They bring you into the culture. There is no circles that you cannot walk into. Everyone is open, everyone is willing to help, and that is the biggest thing that you get from the bonus day. You just get just an inch of what it feels like being to ACL. Once you become a member, it only gets better.
I think that if we had not attended the bonus day, we would still be in existence, but we would probably be hanging on by a thread. No excuses will put you in the place that you want to be in your future. So having a team help you through those weird moments or those doubtful moments it's invaluable. And that is exactly what bonus day did for us.
If I did not attend the bonus day, one of the things that would have happened is that I would not have grown as much personally and professionally as I have. I can't begin to tell you the lessons that I've learned that make me feel that I have greater control of my life, greater control of my profession, and I look forward to going to work today, no matter what problems or situations may get thrown at me.
Just being around like-minded people, it was so electrifying. It was so riveting and exciting. And the bonus day has a sense of community that you definitely get when you hear the questions being asked and things like that from both HTM members, HTM new members, and HTM coaches. But when you transfer from the bonus day to the LQM, it is like you suddenly got a key to a place you didn't know existed.
If I didn't attend the bonus day, I honestly don't know where my life and business would be right now. I really felt lost up until the time I felt How to Manage. I have relied on them so much in the past 2 years. They are there on a regular basis for our regular monthly and weekly meetings, and they've been there when I've had emergencies. And I can't imagine the last 2 years without the support that I've received. It really has been extremely beneficial. It's extremely reassuring to know that they're there. And I know that my firm and my professional growth has been exponential with the help of How to Manage.
I would first describe the HCM community as full of rock stars. This community is one of the most close-knit communities that I've ever been a part of. And they literally want to see you grow. There's no competition. It's literally, I succeed as you succeed. And if you're willing to be open and ask for that help, you're going to get it.
We have met all of our goals financially. And I mean, we've grown literally like 50% each year since we started with HTM, which is awesome.
The value of the bonus day was seeing How to Manage in action. It was interesting because you got to speak to other members who'd actually been in How to Manage, whether they're in their first contract or their second contract. Most of them that I met were in their second contract, and that was very reassuring that they'd already done it and loved it and had signed up again. If you're on the fence about attending the bonus day, I'm pretty sure it's money back guaranteed. So invest in yourself. Even if you decide this is not for you, you deserve a little break. It'll be a really nice hotel. You'll meet some really great people, but I think you're going to decide once you get there how valuable this is, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So take a risk. You're worth it.